Now that our configuration file is ready, it's time to add the shared parameters to our Revit project. To do that, we will start by selecting the Run button on the Shared Parameters tool interface. Next, we will browse for and select the XML configuration file we just created. In this case, the one we have saved as ab.xml. Once that's selected, we simply click Update. And just like that, the tool automatically adds all the configured parameters to the Project Parameters section of your model. No manual input required. You'll notice that the shared parameters are now fully loaded with all the categories, types, instance settings, and property groups we defined earlier. This not only saves a significant amount of time, but also ensures consistency and accuracy across all of your Revit projects.